If you work in online marketing, and especially if you're responsible for an advertising budget, you're going to fall in love with our free collection of the very best Google Sheets templates designed for marketers. Taking a look through our template gallery on our website, you can see we have free Google Sheets dashboards that connect to your live marketing systems, including Google Analytics, MailChimp, HubSpot, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, Google ads, and many of your other core marketing systems. Let's take a closer look at an example with this paid ads report that we actually built in partnership with the Series B startup Mutiny and their amazing marketing team. Simply enter your email to save a copy onto your own Google Drive. And there we go. Now that I've saved a copy, and since I've already logged into HubSpot on my browser, all I have to do is click Connect to HubSpot to instantly import my live CRM data to power this dashboard. And just like that, this dashboard is now connected to my live HubSpot data. We can see it visualized on this paid ads dashboard. To make our lives a little bit easier, let's set up this HubSpot import to automatically refresh every day so we can set it and forget about it. We'll simply click refresh, set refresh schedule. And let's set this one to refresh once a day at 9 a.m. And there we go. Now we can close coefficient and take a look at our live data coming in, where we get a breakdown table up top of some of our key recent marketing campaigns. And we can see our full marketing funnel from how much we're spending to how many impressions we're generating, how many clicks we're getting, how many leads we're getting out of those clicks, and ultimately how many sales opportunities are being created. As we scroll down on this dashboard, we can see a weekly and monthly breakdown of how many sales accepted deals have been created for our marketing efforts and how many sales qualified deals are being accepted. If your HubSpot org is using different stage names, it's very easy to customize these templates to slot in those stages instead of the ones we're using on this template. Finally, at the bottom of this dashboard, we have a list of our most recently created sales leads that were generated from our marketing campaign. To make this dashboard even more actionable, let's create a Slack alert every time that a new deal gets created that was generated by one of our marketing efforts. We'll open Coefficient from the top extensions menu. This time we'll click into the automation section and we'll select create a Slack message. We'll choose the data range we want to monitor. In this case, that's this entire table at the bottom of our dashboard. And we'll say we want to be notified anytime this table changes. We'll select next as soon as it happens, and then we'll choose the Slack channel that we want to send these alerts to. In this case, I'm just going to set up direct messages to myself on Slack. We'll click next, name this alert, click add alert, and I'll be sure that I get notified the next time a deal gets created so I can take credit for how my marketing efforts are paying off. I hope this dashboard will help you track and demonstrate how much value you're bringing to your business through your marketing campaigns. Please feel free to check and save a copy of any of our other free templates designed for marketers from our website.